Hello friends, welcome to Story Time with Mamta. And today I would like to bring storytelling to science. And this is to attract more schoolgirls to the STEAM careers. Now, what do you mean by STEAM careers? STEAM as an abbreviation means science, technology, engineering, arts, math as career options to choose from. With this storytelling, I hope to inspire both women and men to become advocates, change makers, and leaders of their community by following their passion in science. This is a story of real Shiro that define women in science. Today, we are going to listen to the story of Ada Lovelace. Now, who is this Ada Lovelace? An English mathematician, Ada Lovelace, is considered to be the founder of scientific computing and the first computer programmer. Understanding Ada's ancestry and childhood is key to discovering how this unlikely historical figure played her part in the creation of the computer. Her father, Lord Byron, was a renowned English poet, but he was tempestuous and prone to mood swings, which is because her mother didn't want her daughter to grow up like her father. Ada definitely had a painful childhood. Her father, he just left her when she was just 2 months old, and he died when she was just 8. It was her mother who immersed her in mathematics, an unusual course of study for a woman in the 19th century in England. Charles Babbage, the father of computers, was her mentor. At the age of 12, Lovelace conceptualized a flying machine and also gathered her findings in a volume called Flyology. Her algorithm, which history has come to know as the first one designed to carry out, was intended to be used for Charles Babbage's analytical engine, which Lovelace would sadly not see built during her lifetime. One of the most quoted phrases, the analytical engine weaves algebraic patterns just as the jacquard loom weaves flowers and leaves, is a particularly feminine turn of phrase. While her scientific prowess earned her a place in history, she had unremarkable domestic life as well as physical sickness. Ada died of cancer aged 36 and was buried next to her father. She never knew. Lovelace passed away in 1852, but her previously little known work and poetical approach to science has broken through to inspire present day young women interested in computer programming. Her legacy continues in the form of Ada Lovelace Day, observed annually on 15th of October. The day has the aim of raising awareness and interest for women in science. Ada was an unusual person in so many ways, and she continues to inspire who feel that they must defy expectation to follow their passion. This was the story of Ada Lovelace. Hope you enjoyed the story and would definitely allow your children to follow their passions wisely. Thank you so much.